Hi everybody, it's Gardener Julia here, and we are back for another garden lesson today. Today I'm at the Ventura Park Garden. So today we're focusing on plants and all of the things that they need to grow and live. We're going to read a book, and then I'm going to show you how you can sprout seeds all by yourself at home. Before we start, I want to show you the sign language sign for plant. Here it goes. Plant. It's almost like a little plant growing. A cool thing is that the word plant is also the same word for grow. So I have a few different beans right here in my hand. All three of these beans will sprout into a plant one day. Why do you think that seeds are important? You can think for a moment, or you can take a short video of yourself telling me why you think seeds are so important. A seed sprouts into plants, and plants provide food for humans, animals, and the insects like bees. So, like I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you how to sprout seeds at home. But before we can do that, we need to learn the special ingredients that seeds need to grow. Let's read a part of a book called How a Seed Grows to figure out what those ingredients might be. Can you figure out what are the things that seeds need to grow? This book shows how two friends sprouted seeds at home, just like we're gonna do soon. This is a bean seed. You can plant bean seeds yourself. These are pole beans. They are going to try and sprout their seeds. Let's see what they need to give their seeds. Oh, they decided to plant their seeds in an eggshell. We filled our eggshells with soil like this. We made a hole in the soil with our fingers like this. And they planted one seed in each hole. And they covered that seed with soil. So soil is the first thing that seeds need to grow. Sprinkle the soil carefully with what? Water. So they watered their seeds. The second thing that seeds need to grow is water. And then they put their seeds where? On the windowsill so that they can get sun. The third thing that seeds need to grow is sunshine. So we have three of the things that our seeds need to grow. What they have also given their seeds is they have planted one in each eggshell, meaning that those seeds have a bunch of their own space. So plants need space to sprout. The fourth thing that plants need is space. And the last thing our plants still need is some of the same stuff that we need. We need air. So our seeds have a lot of air in here as well. So the final thing that seeds need to grow is air. Now that our seeds have everything that they need in their little tray, let's see what happens to them. What do you think is going to happen? Oh, check it out. This seed started to sprout out. They took a look at their seeds. Oh, and check this out. They start to extend their roots and their stems, and they start to shed their seed coat. And slowly, seeds start pushing out of the ground and start to stand up using their stem. If you have ever sprouted seeds before, you can see this happening. They watched their seed grow, and slowly it made what? 2 giant leaves. And soon their teeny tiny seed grew into huge beanstalks. So let's remember, what are the 5 things that seeds need to grow? Sun, soil, water, air, and space. Those are the 5 things. Can you repeat them after me? Sun, soil, water, air, and space. Nice job. My friends, I'm sorry to inform you, but I must now turn you into a teeny tiny seed. I want to see if I can use my magic powers to grow you into a big, healthy plant. When I take my magic wand here and wave it at you, you are going to stand up and curl into a teeny tiny little ball. On the count of 3, you will turn into a seed. 1, 2, 3. I should see everybody curled up into a little teeny seed ball. What is the first thing that I need to give to all of my little seeds to help you start to sprout? How about water? And here comes all of the water, and it's drizzling down on your head. And maybe now, my seed, you start to grow and you have your first 2 leaves sticking out to the side. Nice. Next, I am going to give all of my seeds plenty of soil. I am planting you into the ground. Maybe now you start to grow a little bit taller and your leaves get a little bit bigger out to the side. And I think the next thing I'm going to give all of my seeds is a little bit of the sun. Imagine you are nice and warm and you, my seeds, are reaching up to the sky to grab all of that sunshine. Now your leaves are big and wide and you are starting to stand much taller. What is the last thing I need to give you? Some air. Whoosh. And you feel the breeze rattling through your leaves. And now you can take your big, beautiful leaves and stretch them up to the sky, reaching for that sunshine. Ooh, nice. Now that I've given you all the things that you need, I now know that I have a ton of big, beautiful plants all over the place. All right, now I'm gonna show you how you can sprout and grow some seeds at home. It's surprisingly really, really easy. Maybe you're thinking to me, Miss Julia, I don't have any seeds to sprout. It's okay if you don't have a packet of seeds. You can actually sprout seeds using dry beans. I have this pack of beans in my pantry. They are beans that are dried, not the canned beans that are in a can. So even though we buy these at the grocery store, these beans will actually germinate and sprout into plants. You only need 3 materials, and I'm sure that a lot of you have these at home. So what you'll need is paper towels, Ziploc bag, and your seeds. All right, to start, you want to gather all of your materials. I have that assorted group of beans, so I'm going to try and see. Maybe there's a difference between all of these different beans that I'll try and germinate today. Grab your paper towel. If you have a paper towel at home, you can do this with me. You're going to start by getting it a little bit damp. You could do this in your sink. I'm going to take my paper towel
and dip it into my cup of water. I want to squeeze it out and make sure that it's just damp. So you go ahead and you open up your Ziploc bag. Next, you're gonna go ahead and put your seeds into this paper bag with your paper towel.
The very last thing that you want to do is you want to put this where? Should I put this in a dark closet? No, we're going to put this in a sunny location. I'm going to tape mine to the window. You can also just leave yours in a nice sunny spot. If you notice that your wet paper towel gets a little bit dry, you can go ahead and give it a little bit more water as well. If you do this project, make sure that you check on your seeds every day to see if they have changed. After they have sprouted, maybe you can even plant your seeds in a little cup of soil.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.